We can't go back and change the past. But that doesn't stop us from worrying about it. And we can say intellectually, hey, don't worry about the past. It's done, it's dusted, it's finished, it's gone, cannot be replaced, cannot be corrected, cannot be changed, fixed. Move on. Well, yes, intellectually we get that. But it doesn't stop our brain from replaying those movies in our head about the humiliation or the error or the catastrophe. It never goes away. It keeps coming back. Now, here's the difference. Yes, we can replay that scene in our mind. That's all right. But we shouldn't worry about it. It happened. Okay, let go. Yes, you can't forget it. Yes, it replays. Okay. But don't let that past event stress you today. Revisit it in your mind, but attach no emotion to it. Attach no worry to it. Just see it. Yeah, that happened. I didn't like that. It wasn't good. Move on. Don't let the emotions get trapped in the thing in the past that really confronts you. Observe it, but move forward.